Today we're going to discover more about how to find area of a folded piece of rectangular paper or a squarish paper. So I have with me a piece of paper here. Let's look at the measurement. The length is 8 cm and on the other side is 8 cm. So this is a square. I'm going to fold this piece of square paper diagonally across. What do you notice about the square paper after I folded it diagonally? You'll notice that it meets perfectly. Now I have with me another piece of paper. Let's look at the measurement. This measure 8 by 7. So this is a rectangular piece of paper. I'm going to try to fold it diagonally across. So what do you notice about a rectangular piece of paper when you fold it diagonally? You'll see that it doesn't meet perfectly. There's this part here that sticks out. Is this true for all triangles? Let's look at another one. This piece of paper, the length is 10.5 and the breadth is about 5.7. I'm going to fold it diagonally across. How about this way, diagonally across from the other side? Now you'll notice that, again, that's a part that sticks out. It doesn't meet perfectly, and that's because it's a rectangular piece of paper. So our conclusion is that only a square paper, when you fold it diagonally and unfold, you can see that it meets perfectly. This does not happen for a rectangular piece of paper. Now, with this, I'm going to explain page 134 of your workbook, question 7. That will be in your practice form. A rectangular piece of paper is folded along the dotted lines. So I'm going to fold it this way, such that it forms this figure with two triangular shapes. Let's look at the length. Let's measure the length. So the length of the rectangle is 15 cm. Let's write that down. So that will be 15, and this is 15. Now I'm going to fold it just like how it's shown in your question. And I'm going to measure the length of one triangle. Now you notice that the length of one triangle is 7 cm. So let's write that. How about the other side? Let's measure the length of the other triangle. It's also 7 cm. Now, so remember we learned that only a square, when you fold and unfold, it will meet perfectly. So when I unfold this part, over here, this portion here, where it can fold and unfold exactly, is actually a square. So this is 7 cm. And when you unfold it, can you see that this side is also 7 cm? So over here, the same thing is a triangle. I'm going to draw a line here. Now remember that only this part here, the square, the blue part, when you unfold it, actually forms a square here. So this 7 cm, when you unfold it, you can see that the breadth of the rectangle is actually 7 cm. Now we have found the breadth of the rectangle and you know the length of the rectangle. Will you be able to find the area of this rectangular piece of paper?